How overthinking affects your life and why it is draining you. Overthinking is not just annoying, it is life altering. Here is what's happening. Decision fatigue. You analyze every decision to the point of exhaustion, making it harder to take action. Chronic anxiety. Your brain constantly jumps to the worst case scenarios, keeping you in a state of fear. Mental burnout. Your mind is running a mental marathon every day, leaving you emotionally and physically drained. Insomnia. Your brain doesn't know how to switch off, making it impossible to sleep peacefully. And lack of presence. Instead of enjoying the moment, you are trapped in the past or future. Overthinking convinces you that if you think hard enough, you'll gain control. But the real control comes from learning to let go.